Breaking news. News reaching us is that Cassius Mailula has signed with Mamelodi after he had a very, very difficult time with Toronto FC. I mean, he's been loaned twice. Firstly, he was loaned to Wydad Casablanca in Morocco, and then, of course, he was then loaned to KV Kortrijk in Vietnam. Now, his contract at FC Toronto FC in the MLS was supposed to expire in December 2026. But Cassius Mailula has really found it tough to really establish himself, going to Chiefs and all of that. But there could have been no way, because Cassius Mailula has always been clear that if he had to come back home, as Cassius Mailula will be joining Sundowns, he will, of course, be traveling with Mamelodi Sundowns to the preseason. You would remember that Cassius Mailula was able to bang 15 goals after appearing 31 times. And as Cassius Mailula was jumping around Toronto FC, Wydad Casablanca and KV Kortrijk, he was able to bang in 8 goals. And of course, he was able to play about 48 matches all in all across those 3 teams. Cassius Mailula is coming back to South Africa, traveling with Mamelodi Sundowns to Australia. There will be a Cassius Mailula in the 2026-2027 season. Soccer 360. Until next time.